If you're looking for an easy way to archive signed contracts automatically, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process and show you how to set up everything for smooth and hassle-free contract archiving. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an automatic system for saving signed contracts in seconds. Let's start with the basics. Archiving signed contracts automatically is all about streamlining your document management process and reducing the risk of losing important agreements. Manually saving contracts is time-consuming and prone to human error. But with the right software, you can automate this entire process and let the system do the work for you. So here's how you can do it. The first step is to connect your contract management system with a cloud storage platform. This software is incredibly helpful because it integrates seamlessly with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Once you set this up, every time a contract is signed, the system will automatically upload it to the cloud without any extra action required. Next, you'll want to organize those contracts for easy retrieval. Most software, including the one we're using today, allows you to set up custom folders and naming conventions. For example, you can create folders by client name, contract type, or even by the date the contract was signed. This way, you can quickly find any document you need in just a few clicks. Another great feature of this software is the automatic tagging. When a contract is signed, the software can automatically tag it with relevant keywords, such as the contract type or client's name, which makes searching for documents incredibly fast. For instance, if you're looking for a specific client's contract, just type their name and you'll find it instantly. No more digging through folders. Now let's talk about security. When archiving signed contracts, you need to make sure your files are safe. Fortunately, the software we're using encrypts your files and offers secure backup options, so you can rest easy knowing that your contracts are protected from data breaches or accidental loss. The final step is setting up reminders or notifications. Some software can send you a reminder to check and review contracts that are nearing expiration or require follow-up actions. This ensures you stay on top of your agreements and never miss a deadline. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we're using today. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check out the link in the description below. Now, here's the key takeaway. Automating the archiving of signed contracts saves you time, ensures security, and helps you stay organized. If you take anything from this video, it's that using the right software to automatically archive signed contracts is a game changer for anyone who handles documents regularly. To quickly recap, 1. Connect your software with a cloud storage platform. 2. Set up custom folders and tags for easy organization. 3. Take advantage of security features and backup options. 4. Use reminders to stay on top of expiring contracts. Don't forget to grab the free trial in the description to start automating your contract archiving today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.